even when I'm surrounded by the storm.
You have selected and just return the value for it. But then we want the exact match because we want to be specific that that's customer ID that we're looking for, and we want to know how much the person spends. And also, mind you, it's going to pick the very first records it sees relating to that customer ID, because you can see that actually.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Customer IDs here, so we have the same customer ID. We have 8948, 8948, but we're looking for the one with C6. But then it's going to now then pick exactly the purchase price concerning C6 which I have selected, and so we'll say false for more than exact value, and then we'll just click on enter. And there, so we have the price 27.98, that's 27.98, and if you go here, you see that that's actually correct. So purchase price 27.98. So next we're going to try the Xlookup, which is actually annoying because it's quite confusing to me as well, because it makes
shut up your mouth. If this is not work, you're in trouble.
The errors that I make, because so that everybody will understand that nobody's perfect. A lot of videos that you see will be those setting errors will probably be edited off, and then it seems like they are perfect, but no one is perfect really. And then yeah, we all make mistakes. So when you are doing this and you're making mistakes, you should understand that everybody passes through that as well. So yeah, so let's
Let's go.